Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Thursday, November 17th, 2022. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. Quite a bit of selling pressure here since the London Open. You can see a breakdown through 4-day lows, already a stop run day down as we head into the RTH Open. This is steady weakness that, again, is developing here within the boundaries of this upward sloping channel here, and we wondered aloud here if this range at the top end of the channel would lead to the next pullback within the channel back toward 3800. This move higher began at the beginning of Q4 here in October with big push higher, deep pullback, big rejection day, deep pullback, big push up, deep pullback again, and it's been rife with deep pullbacks after strength. So after this recent strength here, breaking down through 4-day lows, we could be looking at a continuation that takes us back toward 3800 up ahead. Now, keep in mind, with a very strong push downward here and into a rising bullish Pima trigger zone, there could be the potential for a sharp rejection at lows, and any sharp rejection here could lead to a failed new low that could be bullish moving forward. So again, shy of some major rejection here, we're looking at further weakness toward 3800. Should a major rejection develop here and a higher low develop, that's when we could be looking at a further swing move up. So right now, looking at weakness here as this thing continues to trend lower with downward sloping VWAP and PivotBoss pivots. If we take a look here, or PivotBoss bands rather, if we take a look here at the NQ, stop run day down, big time breakthrough for 3-day lows here and now through 4-day lows, and again a failure to hold above the previous month's high, rejection after retesting the FOMC key level from below. Here's the FOMC key level right there. That's your 12K level at the September 21st level. Big time rejection here at that zone, a failure through multiple day lows, and now it looks like we are dropping within this range. We could be looking at a move downward that takes us easily back toward 11K. Maybe it takes us even lower than that, but somewhere between 11K and 11,250 could be an easy downside target up ahead on a pullback toward this lower zone here. So keep an eye on this. Again, shy of some major rejection. If we get a significant rejection after testing the 8-period average and develop a failed new low today, that could lead to a surprising rally ahead. But as of right now, it looks like we're moving downward within the range. Taking a look here at crude oil. Crude oil right now down nearly 2%, about 1.8% at the moment, giving up the 85 level. This one has been a chop fest around the midpoint here of the key range. It has chopped back and forth for a while, up to the edge and back to the midpoint. And this midpoint had been support. Now it's pushing down a little bit, testing the FOMC key level from September 21st here. That's the 83.52 level right now. And again, there's been a lot of chop in this chart. You know, down hard, then up hard, then down hard, then up hard, then down hard. Well, if today starts to fail at 2-day lows, perhaps this could be the upswing that takes us back toward 86, maybe 87.22. So right now, again, a lot of chop back and forth. Keep an eye on the previous session's low above 84.20, and you get a bit of a squeeze. Taking a look now at gold futures. Gold right here, pulling back. Got a squat bar a couple of days ago. Inside day yesterday, breaking down and starting a bit of a pullback. Again, big time rising 8-period average, a rising Pima trigger zone. We are coming into a very important retest zone, the top of the key range right here, 1738.5, which is also the FOMC key level from July 27th. That could be a big time retest portion right here for this market. So breaking down through 1767, you're looking for a retest here. How do bulls respond there? Do they take it bid, or does it fail and open up 1680 back below? So 1738.5, 1740 is going to be the key level here. Getting a bit of a pullback right now on a failure to hold above the previous week's close and a downside break from the inside day relationship. Lastly, taking a look at ETH futures here, down 1.77% today. This one still hasn't reached the midpoint. We talked about the 1355 half level. That's the midpoint of this impulse sell-off. Kind of building a bit of a range here, but not really getting that squeeze to fulfill that target. That would give us a new key range to work with. Again, that would be very helpful moving forward for this market. But right now, inside the range, showing a bit of weakness, and still lacking energy on a potential bounce and follow through to the upside. So again, this thing could be looking at another round of new lows up ahead. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.